Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy living with the Nutribullet PRO 900-watt personal blender. This 13-piece high-speed blender mixer system is not just a kitchen gadget, it's a lifestyle changer, and I'm here to tell you all about it. The Nutribullet PRO packs a powerful punch with its 900 watts of power. It's designed to handle dense whole foods like nuts, seeds, hard fruits, and even tough greens like kale. The result? You get to enjoy smooth and nutritious blends in no time. Whether it's strawberries or spinach, this blender transforms them into smooth, sippable nutrition effortlessly. What makes it stand out is its simplicity and user-friendliness. You don't need to be a tech wizard to operate this blender. Just load it, push, twist, and blend. It's that straightforward. Plus, it's fast. Most smoothies are ready in under 60 seconds, making it perfect for those busy mornings or quick post-workout snacks. Another aspect I love about the Nutribullet PRO is its hassle-free cleaning. After blending, simply twist off the blades, give them a rinse, and pop the cups into the top rack of your dishwasher. It's health without the hassle. The design is intuitive, and the device is something you'll find yourself using daily, thanks to its ease and efficiency. In the box, you'll find everything you need to get started: a power base, a cross blade, two 24-ounce mugs, sippy lids, lip rings, and even a care and instruction manual along with a pocket nutritionist and a recipe book for optimum health. It's a complete package for anyone looking to kickstart a healthier lifestyle. In conclusion, the Nutribullet PRO 900 is more than just a blender. It's a gateway to a healthier lifestyle. Its powerful blending capabilities, ease of use, and quick cleaning make it an ideal choice for health-conscious individuals. So, if you're looking to make a nutritional difference in your diet, this might just be the blender for you. Don't forget, this product is built to North American and Canadian electrical standards. Make sure to refer to the user manual before use for the best experience. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this review and are considering the Nutribullet PRO 900 for your kitchen, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.